In this video, I will show how I become 3 times more smarter and make better decisions with than average person, and with all the help by using AI, by applying this my AI mentor system that help me to just guide to each step, make me here to work more smarter way and help me to make decision. And if you want to pick your own mentor that helps you to guide your whole life process, just in this video, at last you will learn everything that you need. You do the dashboard. Okay, okay, let's go to dashboard. Now, before building up this AI agent in my mentorship in n8n, I just discussed a little bit about the concept of mentorship. What is mean by? So, yeah, we are building right now a personal mentor, but I was talking about this that there is a millions way to do a same stuff. And for giving example, let's suppose that you want to go your home. Let's suppose you have a beautiful home and you want to go home. There is a millions. There is a several way. There is a several way path to go your home by any means. There is a several roads to go reach and several places to go reach. And you have also several modes to go also. You have ability to cab, you also have ability to bike. Also ability you can also go with, let's suppose, helicopter, plane, understand. But the point I'm making is that each road have their own nuances that let's suppose there is a smaller road that is much faster and you can just go fast. But when you use car, but it's much smaller, you only people can walk. But when but you suppose that you are new to this road, but you cap, you can reach your goal home or not. No. And let's suppose that there's a big chunk of road and this is two space and you can walk, you can go your home. But you use it for walking and it takes 1 hour. Is it worth it? And also, this suppose that you want to go faster your home by using helicopter, but there is no helipad. That's it. The point I'm making to explain is that there is a you can use any path, but trying a random thing in the path make you no better. You can just use one path with one nuances. For example, just using this different, there are different mentors of experts of sales and marketing. We follow the different guys for different thing and we apply everything. We will know. But one thing I mention is that if you just apply one mentor and just follow his own strategy, you can reach your goal. If you this number, if you just use the smaller path and just you walk it, you can reach your home. If you use this long route by using car, you can reach your home. But using a random thing with cab with this road, you can make nothing. So that's why I'm trying to explain. Building this before building your mentor, you have to decide that I choose the one thing, one specific person or expert that I'm following, and so that I can give the mentor the AI agent so I can ask the question. That's the thing. And it's just random thing and you will know with system. This means one expert, I will learn from everything, and this makes and it makes no much sense here because if you just learn a skill in one person, you can do things. But if you just apply the different chunks of the skills, you can know no. Another is in hardware. If you use another advanced technology of PC and use the given of the new, other PC. This is work not. You have to use the same structure of the previous all setup. That's why you also use the same path to use. That's why that we use that that also applies our mentorship that we have to use a same clear path what we need. So for this is all about our knowledge thing that. So where do we get knowledge? We get from books, YouTube, and podcasts. And I strongly recommend that use follow one person as a marketing or sales or anything you any skill you want, and just choose one thing and just storing data and just doing it. Now I also talk about how can you just store a data with podcast and YouTube in a couple of minutes after. Let's suppose let's see how the system look like. Now this is the first system where we do store our data in Pinecone database. And a lot of people are not familiar with Pinecone. What is Pinecone is that it is a vector database where you store your information in the vector form, and it's much easier to just retrieve the information. And it's a type of the storing data that help you just numerical in vector form that can easily retrieve your exact quality that you're using, and it's so efficient to use. And that's most of LLM model that you are using the Pinecone and vector database, right? So you can I just explain you that there is two system. Is a first of all we just store data in vector script, and the second is we just build the AI agent that retrieve the data. And this is a simple note. We have Google Drive to Google Drive trigger whenever the folder have a add a file, we just trigger it and we just download the file, and again we just put in Python vector space by embedding thing. And now here I just build everything from scratch and just spinning over with that. You can understand what I'm doing right now. And this thing. Now our next system is that what we're doing is that first now we save it. We just retrieving this whole thing. There's a wise man answer. What is that? We just allowing a chat. We just have a chat in, and then you can use any mode of just a Telegram. You can use your WhatsApp to connecting. But I simplest thing I use in chat model right now to this. And use AI agent that retrieve the information from a fine tune and give the answer with us. That's thing. Now, let's I just give you some example. Now just show this how it's working. Okay, just about uh, how can I make my content more engaging? Let's suppose we just type this. Now just go to our database and just search about it and just give the answer. Yeah. Now this that we just use the hooks that retain currency. We are satisfied with click. Now this is the knowledge base that I store with this Alex emoji that is called 1 million, 100 million days. That's well, and I'm just following that. And that's why, and also this of the previous talk that you just follow the one thing. This I following the marketing for Alex emoji and this sales for Germany. That's it. Now just now now everything that is so now just build this together and that's so just click a new workflow in the personal. Yes, we have to save this. Yeah. Now this is we're not familiar that this is known as the canvas where we just build all the things that we needed to build in n8n, and we just move it here and there. You can see there's a little map. You can show where is your icons. You can zoom out and zoom in. I prefer to use this control button and scroll button so we can zoom easily anywhere I want. And before triggering sync, we have here is we just download all the model that we need. Now, now what we're building right now is that we're building the first agent where we just search our Google Drive, download the file and just store in Pinecone. And before doing that, I will also show how can this authenticate also. Let's suppose we just have Google Drive trigger. Yes, Google Drive. Yeah, Google Drive trigger whenever specific folder change. Okay. Yes. And now we need credential here. Now I show how we can do it. So Google Drive account, you just have to just put this client ID and client secret. To do that, you just go to your search your Google console first of all, and you create an account in Google console. It's very simple and straightforward. Mm. After creating an account, there is a numerous thing. You have to just click this button and just create a new project. I already created that. You don't have to need it. Just I go on my project. You just have to create and put some name. And after creating that, just go here and just type this APIs and services and go credential tab. And you can create all the credential you needed to here. And then go this create credential, create the OAuth key, and just whatever I just did the application to web application, the name, okay, I'll just name and it and mentor, and you have to just put your redirection, authorize redirection URL where you get from. This is the URL that you needed. Just copy this URL and just paste it here, and just you have ready to go. Just create it. Takes 5 minutes. Now all the things that needed and just close it. I have to just delete this and just copy this client ID and this client figure and just paste on it. Client ID, here is the client ID, just pasted it there, and here is again client secret, paste it here, and go to sign in, and credential, successfully credential is created. Let's go ahead, click your ID and and use continue and just verify it. Just download thing. Okay, do you want to continue? Already have C services now to access. Okay, just cancel it. So just you have to just continue because I have already 3 accounts on it. And just do this and you have to change your name and just put it here. And I'm just deleting this one. Okay, this is which is on mentor because I don't want to see anyone to just do another stuff with like. Okay, I just create this credential right now. Okay. Now just someone simple. You just create a client ID, client secret, just put in nearby, sign in it and other stuff. Now you just cancel, close it and this thing. And this after you do it, you just created your account. Now now we just check this for each minute and for doing a specific folder, first of all we just create a specific folder that we need. Let's just go to our Google Drive. Google Drive. Yeah. Now just create a your new folder for here. Just not upload a folder. Again, you need to upload any folder. I need to just create a folder. Create it. Okay. Something's happened. So we create a new folder called n8n men slash mentor. Okay. Now we have a mentor. I think here. Yeah. We just created a mentor. Yeah. Here is the mentor. Let's go again. We just go annotate and just we search involve specify and find from list and just search from there and find your search your annotate mentor and just click it here and select what's what, which is what whenever the new file is created and just do this. Not update it on this, we just whenever the new file is created, just set and fetch the data. Now this option right now there is no item there found. Now just before now we just test it. Now just we just create a file and do it. Okay, no, this is not. I need it. Now wisdom. I just takes a little bit hand. Okay. I love one other thing that creating a site telling you again back in then that we have to just create a books and resources that is suitable for you going a one line path. That's right. Let's go to my automation books. And I love the book known as The 100 Million Offer by Alex Ramosi. And this book is so fabulous. I love to read it. And it has so in-depth knowledge about marketing that you need it to know. This is the book, whole book. And I love for this for doing marketing. Let's see. Now just put it here. Now we test it. Does it work or doesn't it work? Now just create a file. Now just create a workflow. Yes, it's working. Now we just create a file item. This is always go to the Sigma, and you can also use JSON, but Sigma needs me more. I think what is beautiful, and you can just understand a little bit more. Okay, we need what? Where is the file? I think I should just close it, close it, close it, close it, close it. Yeah, here it is. We need a book. We need ID. Now just get file. Now is a way to just download this file because we not have the link. So we just go to again type this Google Drive and just go here and click this download the file icon. Again you can just when you create their credential you can use same credential here. We have nothing. Have no. And again we just not list. We just creating for ID because we not know whenever the what file is created, but we wanted that whenever the new file creates it trigger and you just pass the ID. So that's why using ID and we where you get ID just close again this whole thing. You can better understand of it. Specs. Okay, here is the ID. You just go to click and drag in here and put it here expression. This is not ID. Now, now just test it. Let's see this is working or not. Okay. And it's best practice to just do this testing of each module so you can it make your product your work so efficient because you can just add this module one by one and just test again. At last, you if any error happen, you don't know what to do. If you test each module, you know okay, I just perfect this something happened in this module only. I have to check in this module. I have not checked in this 5, 10 previous module what happened. Okay, which is good. Now download as we can view. Let's view it. Okay, now the same book I need it. Now we just download this whole thing. Now we have to store in this in Pinecone. Store in Pinecone. Let's make a Pinecone account. Let's log in Pinecone. Okay, this is right. Yeah, he's correct. Okay, go and just get it started and just get it started. You just put it free. It is free right now. You can use the starter plan or paid plan. I am using like a free version right now here, and you can store up to 2 GB. I think 2 3 GB data. Okay, you can okay. I just use 0.000 MB. You can do a lot of things. 2 GB data is so much. Just converting binary. So So we just create go here just after creating an account, just putting a login your email ID, go to starter plan and just after that just go to database here and just create an index. Here go to just data index. I'll create your name of your file, okay, and mentor and just follow the hook. And before this you go dimension, a lot of people just clicking here and this is a dimension they're saying in a YouTube. But we especially using in here is called Google embedding method, not OpenAI text embedding method. So we have to change this dimension. So the Google have the dimension is 768. Okay, just see again, see it here. We're gonna save this module. I have already here. We go here. I just get this known as n8n mentor. Okay, just click it and go to again. I just go to back person project and here is the voicemail. Yeah, Google, we're using this especially this embedding Google Gemini module. So we're using this dimension 768. So because we, this the dimension change according to which model you are using right now. So I'm just using Google dimension model. So use 768, and you can also use, if you're using OpenAI text embedding model, just click here and just you get the 536 dimension automatically. But we are using specifically our Google, so we're using that dimension of 768. So that's correct. And this, it is cosine, you have to not in serverless, or you need nothing, reason is sync, and just create an index. Simple. Nothing else, nothing we have to do. Now we just create and then mentor. Now, let's look at our APIs. Yeah, we have no code. We have a package here. Before going API keys, let's go to our debit account. Where is my, okay, here is mentor. Now, now we just trigger the file whenever file added in Google this folder. Whenever the new file add, you just automatically download by using this sub module. And after downloading, we need to just store in Pinecone. Let's store the Pinecone vector store. And we need to just add to the vector store because we're adding right now. And to create a credential, this you have to just create a credential. You get API keys. To get the API keys, you have to go this section, go to API keys, just create a new API keys and just create. You just put your name and just copy it and just paste on it. You can I have several keys, so I'm not pasting it, and then it is done. I have key already have a connect account, and you have to just insert a document again, and also you choose your name of your thing using annotate mentor. The name which you just use here, the index here is the index. This is it is your name. Over the for the time you can use different index. So you just remember that you are putting this name. What is you writing in your heading? Just I just name and you have no data input. Just put it here. Just connect here. Now, the beauty of n8n is that we have a sub node part in it. We have not to just add everything here and just say that okay, I have to add also embedding also. So I forgot. We have a sub node we can just now we just use embedding method and it's present Google embedding Google Gemini. And just connect this API. Again, you have credential, you need API keys. So where you go to API keys, again go to Google credential, API and credential. In here and just create API keys and we get your API keys created. I just want to show you, just leave it here. And then clean a copy and just paste here and you connect here. And especially we using in this model is text embedding 0.0004. And suppose that if you are using this or this, you have totally changed your dimension because this model have that dimension of 768. If you're changing different embedding model, just change your dimension. If you not change, it can get errors. Okay. So using test, other model. Now again, now we need a default data loader. Why we need that? What we're doing that I just understand that we just taking this data, all the PDF that we download, the books, and after getting the data, we just storing this converting into binary vector form. And this data is downloading it again from this embedding order and is splitting into chunks. Meaning that we have we have large file in this sticker dividing into different chunk, open chunk, and we just uploading. This means 100 chunk, 1,000 characters for one file, and this that's why. And we can just also overlap that using this request that we just creating a chunk, but also that overlapping the 150 chunk this model that takes that is the vectors that is more in research and AI can better context about that. You know that takes adding a text. Okay, this is takes about after this. This the overlap text. We just adding the same row in that and then writing after, and this the text size for using that. And now I think I should use 700 because we have smaller dimension 700 and using 100 right now. Simple because we have smaller middle model and smaller dimension because half of dimension that's why we using smaller and smaller. If you're using OpenAI, immediately you can use thousands and 250 very yes. But I have a small model, so I use 700 and 100. So now we all created the things. Now this is the technical part that I show that how to create. Now the sorry. Now remember what I show you that here that you need a clear path to reach that. You need a single thing. So what I'm doing that the more the what I'm doing this that is not ever doing that. I'm showing the way to store what kind of data because anybody can build it, the technical stuff. But but, but using the real value of it, you have to just simple psychology that I only put the data that is a one person, that only thing that I just that I use practically example that we have Google Drive. I only listen marketing stuff from Alex Hormozy. There are numerous great marketer, Philip Kotler thing, but I was only using the knowledge of my Alex Hormozy because I love the guy and he's so charismatic and I just listening to mesmerizing. He have so clear in point of view concept. Whenever I just read a book, have clear concept and thing. Just follow one video. The reason is whole rigid model work as a mentor because you just put the right person data. I not say that you same that I use in the Alex Hormozy. You can just prefer another one. Let's put there and get the brain of there because we're taking their brain. It takes 6 months, at least 2 years what to write a book. And we're taking their brain and using that AI model to get the answer. We have a different brain because the AI engine work as brain of our extended brain because we just ask the question and he's coming with the idea which that expert have. And and if you just use this simple philosophy, just like you body, just simple philosophy that okay, I just add one person data in this my Redux model and just ask that you can do much better. Because a single knowledge, expert knowledge, one person is better. You have to do multiple things, you have to do simple straightforward. So I only add some movie, let's add and the file, no cancel, upload file, Now it's 100 million lead. I love it that to the lead. Okay, I think this is not needed for me. This is okay. Okay for you. It's fine. I think I should add another thing that I needed. The 100 million. Okay, yeah, this is the book. 100 million. That's how to get this sensor. If you know a lot about marketing, just go grab this book and you can learn various thing about your marketing stuff. This Alexamosi module. Now we're just adding again. Okay, just one by one. We just created now. Just tell you one by one. Okay, just we added this 100 this module. Now just go to another content. Now we run the whole thing. So this is working or not because we just trigger it because we add this book. So there is a file created in here. So we just trigger it the module and just trigger it the whole module. Let's say this break or happen. Okay, this splitting the text in chunk. Now we already create this book. Which we created, I think that we created this 100 million outreach download file extension. I think it's smaller KV file. Now, okay. Okay, now again testing again another the workflow. I need the lead one. I need this lead. Okay, this thing. I just create this. Okay, we just add again this module. Delete this module this right now from this trash. Okay, all this trash. Now we just do this thing again. Now just adding this again because there is no one song. Now we're adding the whole book. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, I think it's 500 at least 778. Now, what we doing behind the scene that every data come here, but the books. Let's the books. Here is the book, and it's taking accepted. Okay, just cancel it. We just downloading the latest that created in this, and we just downloading this book. Got 100 million lead, 100 million lead at this time, and we just download the whole file, and using this embedding method, this Google embedding, where we're doing this converting this whole data in a binary form in a text. That's so I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tongues. Split it in different part. Station, I think it's no hand. What happened? Why? What happened? Do I open anything else in my laptop? Mm-hmm. Something happens. We're using these models and doing a lot of stuff, and now we're back. I think I have a little bit issue with that, and I just rearrange everything and just now again we test again the whole thing. So what will happen? We're doing this lot of large amount of data. Okay, now I just created. I'm just going to behind the scene that what is happening, right? So you can know technically also. Right? Also need a technical advantage about it. We're going to this Google date. And what is happening here is that iteration text node to download your things, so the data, and just show the data. Now you can see that this is whole text. What we do is we just split it into. You can see that we split it in first of all, and just add also the. We just split it and just overlap all the text in different chunks. There are 757 chunks here, and that we convert into binary number. And this is the number that we is feeding. This is the vector that is representing. Very exciting thing that is technology that just converting everything into vector, and we that using that vector to storing that. And whenever we just getting the data, what we do is that we just asking a query converting this vector and just asking which is the nearest vector of this and just retrieving that. This is a vector. And this is so efficient that technically not would understand that okay why it's happening, but it is so efficient that we can get exact information from our query on this thing. This behind the scene happening. They're storing the data and this is a new formatting data rather than having this data and using the same keyword matching we can use in vector right now. That's still happening in the next this vector data. And you know why we just split it because we in this in different chunks we can store it very. There are 57 chunks or thousands 700 and with 150 overlap. Let me just create a database. Now, I also want to tell you how can I just create, okay, this working. Yes, yes, working. Now, do we only use the books? We need also podcasts. We also need YouTube video that we need it. So how can we download the YouTube videos, podcast? There is a very easiest way to do that. I just made it all over it. You have to go this link, just click it. Yes, I should yes, remove this all unnecessary tab that we not needed right now, and just click this. Okay, I use paint, so I not need paint right now. Link. Okay, you have to go this Spotify transcript extractor to download your Spotify podcast. Just add in your thing and just go here again Spotify and go to your whatever your mentor you are getting, whatever you podcast you like and follow it. I will say that follow one person. It's not only one mantra that I used to follow to grow in my life. This doesn't matter not how the how hard. Just follow the one person that you think that is have achieved that that they have that you don't have that you want to have, and just do the things in that, and you can grow. You can get it. Just we need this. Take your time. No. Okay. Unless that I just love Alex Hormozzi, so I just if Alex Hormozzi team have any issue, just you can call me. That I'm using the transcript. I just what am I doing that? I just healthily download the transcript. Healthily just go to the transcript here, transcript, and just whenever you download the extension, just click your extension that we download here. Here, export here, and just click here, and it automatically download your text. Here is the text. Your text file from that, and just upload the text in the this Google Drive, and we can just upload again and we can run this file again. Just upload this text. Okay, it's opening right now. I have little lag in my laptop right now. Okay, you get all the transcript. This you need it, and you need to upload it. Just go again here. Just use the file upload. Again, go download the game podcast. Just open it, and we successfully download it. Again, we run this mentor and see we download this whole thing or not. Now we just download this the whole file, and we get the view the data. Now we just all the text file that we needed from that. You can see that what is going on, guys. I'm especially surprised this podcast transcript, and we're just using, and we don't care about that. You just have to go manually. We just add this button. If you're just using no code tool, if you're someone is new this no code tool, we just have a trigger. The trigger is following that whenever you add the file, you just run the file when you active that. When you active, when you upload the file, the system automatically run. You have to don't go and have this time. This is reason for I not testing purpose. Right now, we just upload a podcast. Now, the only thing of getting great knowledge is YouTube. I also know how to learn from YouTube. So I mean, each way to just down, not only just getting a data, I also want to each way to just you can download the knowledge also. Okay, let's go to download something called. There's a very good guy, Jeremy Miner. Jeremy Miner. I just love his book also, Jeremy Miner. I just love the guy. He has so much experience. Miner knowledge, sales. As a sales guy, you can just learn and follow him. Yeah, I have great knowledge in sales and marketing. Yeah, what I'm yeah. A book especially like this book, you just have to copy the. Let's go here. I just want to not want to just call, just run this whole thing. Copyright issue happen. Just copy the link. URL. Go to this platform, youtube.com share. I will just click this dot.shop. Just paste here. Download here. Just download it. Again, it takes a little bit of time. Now, voila, we just get text transcript for the video. Again, just click it. Okay, it happens again. We get text configure. Then again, we just go download again. We know how to do. Just go new. Just create file upload and just click the file that you need to upload. Open the window. We just uploading the file. Again, we just generating the whole thing. Running this mentor. Again, this whenever you upload the file, the system automatically runs. And now we just create file. 44 chunks. I think we'll just view this time. This system is working right. Okay. You are a salesperson. Now we just get the transcript. Exact that we're getting from here. Now this is the electronic transcript. I think that I don't open this. And open this transcript. And very easy. We get knowledge from podcasts, YouTube, books. And this is three format is mostly used for mostly used getting knowledge from online. Okay, here is yeah. Hi, you are the salesperson. This is a transcript I download and that's we upload it. Now we know the how to now. We just make a mentor. We just set the idea that we should follow the one person, and now we just get with what every way to just download their knowledge. So their books, their YouTube videos, their podcasts. We can download the thing and just upload in our file and get their experience and the brain to use according to us because we're training the brain to just using to applying ourselves. They have expertise of 20, 30 years. We're just gaining their experience asking them as a customer, just asking the Alex Hormozzi, okay, I just want to market this personal because they write the content and that's the content, the knowledge about the person. We just asking the knowledge. Asking, this means that we just asking Alex Hormozzi, okay, personal guide, like is guiding, have a agile manner for guiding things, and that's stuff. Now, once we store this data, no, now we have to something that we can ask it. And with this next flow, we just going to ask this whole thing. We just go there, I have to save this. Remember to save always and go to again another workflow and we know that n8n mentor agent. Okay, now again what we do whenever trigger we just put trigger right now chat trigger. You just put chat trigger here. That means that you just chatting with this whole bot here, chatting with this. We can just do this another thing that we can use Slack connection, we can use WhatsApp, we can use uh, Telegram, whatever we need. In the further video, I also talk about how to connect Telegram, chat, Slack, and WhatsApp. Now we just using simplest version with chat. Now we just add the file. Now we just start. Now we need to answer it. Just type answer, answer, question, answer chain. Okay, this is the file. No, this is the pine cone. No, this is no pine cone. Again, we need first of all pine cone because we need to ask the pine cone, and we have to get retrieve as tool agent, retrieve the data as tool agent, but not okay. First of all, the issue that we have to add AI. We're just noting because we're not asking this LLM model, we're just adding AI agent. Now, this add the agent that's creating so much hype in right now. Agent, we just add the AI agent that's query outfit. And they have three ones. Or the chat model, that's LLM, its own brain. Now it is a mixed memory in the future term. Why memory? That we have to better context idea what we talking previously, so we can make better answering system, and we have tools. The chat model again we use Gemini chat model. We know how to connect it. I just really that go and just grab our APIs and just we just choosing which module right now. We're choosing okay. We're choosing the Flash experiment. This is the most advanced model right now that GPT have. Not ChatGPT, it's Google Gemini. We have a lot of things with ChatGPT, and I always talk about ChatGPT. Where this is Gemini, we have now we're using memory, so we can know the five context address. This is the window that we talked about that we need a five. The bot, the AI agent understand recall the five conversations before we giving the answer, so you get better understand. You can use 10, 20 answer, but I prefer to use 5 to 10. And if you are a customer service, add to multiple change, add to 10 to 50. And if you otherwise using simpler, just add 5 and max to 10. Not make so heavier. So with tools, now go to Pinecone, retrieval. No, just delete this. We need answer chain. We need answer chain. Again, answer chain. Vector stored answer chain. Release my mentor. Okay, just name mentor. Okay, wisdom, knowledge, wisdom, 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 and use it to get all uh, answer like marketing, sales. Now, what is the name for this? For defined, you can ask for variant. Again, we need module. Again, we add chat Gemini module. Here we use also Gemini. Go to slash model thing, and for vector storage, we need Pinecone vector store. Yeah, this is the, and again, we choose the file. Just if you know how to create a credential previous, we just connect your credential and just n8n memory and save. And again, after creating this, we need again the embedding. Why need the embedding? A simple thing that there is a data coming from vector form, and if you just transfer the data from the chat, we doesn't understand. So we again to convert that vector into normal text. So we, again with Gemini, we use the same model embedding method like that. Otherwise, you'll get issue from it, and that's final. Now it work, but I need to write a prompt. That's I need to that. That there is a system whenever you're using that. There is tool agents. I just talk about it. We talk about this AI agent. We talk about memory tools. You can add more tools. Now this is our AI agent. This is pretty much interface. It's connected with the chat node, and you just know here's a prompt user message. And here is another option you can add is a system message. What are we doing right now here? We just command it as a person and do this. For this purpose, I said that just write a prompt. I think I should write a prompt. What do you commanding? That always use that. Okay, you write write uh, AI agent prompt to get infor- information only by using tool known as Pinecone Pinecone vector database. Okay, just I know to add to this only using tool, don't add anything extra from yourself, return, give answer only from the store data. And okay, just and if if there is no data available, say the user that no data is no data available, and be professional, we give answer in skip and answer in simple, concise, concise way. Okay, just also add something that. Okay, just also add what is the node. Uh, you are mentor AI agent who help person to grow by gi- by to getting the information, and also we also explain that warning also that person. Okay, so we do not need that right now. We just write a prompt here. This define, we just given you the person who they define. We got the instruction. We give the not need example. I think that because say if no, okay, that's the thing. Okay, that's good. Okay, just have instruction. Okay, we need the prompt. We get a prompt. Just copy this. We can refine the prompt a little more if you want. Right now it's predefined. We don't need to define. And just copy paste. We need. Okay, just delete the upper part and the below part. Yeah. Now we just create a database. Everything we needed. Just arrange it in a format and just ask about how to create offer. Let's start. Let's see this working. Okay, tell me how I can create a offer because there is go again. So as a Pinecone database again embed it. Now here is a concern. Offer consists of goodwill, value payment method, and combining pricing, value guarantee, naming, strategy, compelling offer. A strong offer attract new customer and life bond and business. Okay, tell me the offer component. Now this is searching again. I think it's not using the funnel. Use the vector database tool. I just remind it, which is not vector database. You don't mean the answer. Okay, that's I think that just change our prompt again. Because it's not using that. Okay, okay, let's rechange. Okay, add rule. Note that always use the tool to answer. Hmm. Now just again add, just refine the prompt, and this is the way to best way to do. Just remove the upper part again and the below part. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we just clear the whole chart, reset it. Okay, tell me how can I generate lead for my business? And now just going to just use strictly for follow. No. Okay, here is the we can referral building, team building, hiring using always. Okay, I think that we just so concise that I should use that. I should just use a concise word because it becomes so concise, not just so concise. Create it, then just increase this. Okay, clear and detail manner. Detail. Which is a good detail. We not need a concise. We need detailed. Right. This is the fun. Let's change the whole thing. And how can I do that? Now let's go this again. We just action the querying data. Now it's release generation for favor, have for favor for referral, employee, agency, affiliate, customer can have biggest importance to low cost expansion, employee can have direct influence with this. Okay, I think that I also add something that I need a little more expanded view. Okay, this simple, clear, and more in-depth manner. This and more in-depth. And this is the way we just change the prompt because we have not right way to this prompt. We just write the structure, define the name structure with the role, and we just iterate it in depth, man, in depth, in depth. Okay, yeah, okay. How can I do? How can I do? How can I do cold outreach? Cold outreach. In the book, always about cold outreach and autumn. Cold outreach. Okay, let's think about it. Again, so window queries. Okay, no data is available. Okay, I think that I have not mentioned that we have also cold outreach, and we also have to mention this also cold outreach. Okay, offer. We also have to mention this what they have so they can better understand of this. This is a this is the place where we just define what the tool contain because yeah, he have passed this barrier to go there offer all marketing stuff, marketing activities. Okay, okay, okay. Define. Tell me about cold outreach. I think it's available. I think again we just have student thing cold outreach. Okay, yeah. So save it again. We just delete this whole task. Reset it about now. Can you tell me about how can I do cold outreach? Okay, just action of database and doing a database no data available. I think that just do add a honeymoon lead. Yes, we add a honeymoon lead. It should be there available. Okay, we just again we ask again I think that how to make lead formal with this. Okay, just again asking this. What it is available. Okay, it's again it's getting lead. Where is fine gone? Where the bucket is this? Okay, the Google already did that. Okay, this is when advertise applied. Okay, okay, okay. They already give our data that we needed. The authors here about the lead activity, but our AI tool is not giving our yes, advertised leads affiliated. Will not give. We just change the prompt again. Not, we just change the prompt again. Okay. Just changing again. Okay, just removing this whole thing and okay, just remove this whole part right now and just let's test about it. And okay, this okay, this always can have node and now this stuff. We see the task. Okay, tell me about cold outreach. So this is the way we just do actual prompting stuff. The course involve advertising people who don't know you, and it can be done very public and private. Go fast and increase. You know how much data I get from here. Let's see. Okay, give a model. We're getting from this. Okay, we're getting color how it's work. Okay, it's giving either. Okay, it's retaining this. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of data from it. but we have some prompting issues, so we just remove this whole prompt right now. Let's see how it's work right now. Okay, just tell me how can I do it. What happened? Okay, again, if some issue happens, but we solve it. I see the chart again. We said okay. We have you are helpful, helpful, assist, assist, change it again. Okay, now we just do. Tell me how can I make offer? I'm going to answer it. All the thing. Sorry, I can provide a comprehensive report at a previous work. Yeah, would you like me to search more information? How can I create it? Okay, what are you getting from here? We're getting whole data. We will just create. I'm looking 5-star avatar. Okay, we're getting all data from here. We're not able to just find this. And your helper assistant, which gave return answer, answer the return value to person to user get by tool. Let's add this. Okay. What are the offer component? Okay, let's suppose we're doing searching. Okay. Now based on information I got it, it's a promise and there is exchange. Now getting all data that we needed. There is the art model. We have all the data we needed, promise and exchange. We have grants and offer. I think the system is very instantly trade. We have a low weakness, different offer. Offer is just given exchange and some values. Okay, that's what we get. I call proper combination of grants and offer. Now it's getting from that. I think that I should just decrease the knowledge of this module, flash it, and put it like a little flash model, flash experimental. I think is flash, flash. No. Can you tell me how how can I create a offer? I'm getting offer. No. So you create an offer, you have to just access the value, you have to price into bonus profit, you have to value guarantee, you have naming strategy. Now getting the all thing that we needed from here. Now we're getting chart and getting. So this is the way we have to just change this prompt again and again, again and again, again and again. That's fine. And after changing the prompt again and again, you get the better thing. But right now you have just use this thing. And you can just create your own mentor and just have your knowledge ideas from it. I'm just giving you all the details that are happening because it takes time to just learn the AI, this AI agent. Because after the hundreds of iteration, you always learn what you want to know. You just have to iterate this all over times, what a prompt using, whenever there is no perfect prompt. There is always a nuance in the prompt. You just have to change it according to your preference and it. Because I also can change that. Okay, just write a prompt. Okay, add that you make a AI prompt meshes. Just okay, right. Uh, AI isn't prompt. Your your mentor isn't to provide provide guidance to user by giving the answer of their query by also and with by using the tool you have and but in the detail and structure way. Sure, sure way. No. This promise will be work. It have this right and different thing, nuances of that we need it. If you okay, common mistake. Okay, conclusion. Okay, add that only use the tool to answer the question. I created thing. Okay, okay, okay. It's a very long prompt I'm getting from it. I'm not in the whole prompt. I can just delete the other part. I think I should open this whole gigantic form and delete this example part I don't like about it. Yeah. No. Now we just get this form. Now again we reset the chart and it is the last try this. Can you tell me how cells work? No resources, answer the vector using data. No. Now we're getting the perfect answer. Understand the customer need. Understand the customer need, brand trust, solution offering the product that meets the customer need, that is helping the third. Okay, what is the procedure of, sales? Okay, now we have this one thing from the reminder, the prospecting presentation, is if any call, closing, this thing. You have a kit thing. Now, this is the way you just create the whole AI agent if you need it, person, and and remember one thing that the agent always grow after you prompt again and again, just refine your prompt again and again. And there's a no master prompt, you have to iterate it various time and to see what is wrong happening and so on. So you can add restriction prompt and also comes in while getting a right prompt. One now just creating a prompt and I will show how can you create a perfect prompt for that time. Have a great day. Just remember this thing that we have a different route, but